To one and all present out here, it is with a great honor and a deep sense of responsibility that I, Dia,
and I, Divyanshi,
stand before you today to welcome you all to this important gathering, where we are to discuss a topic that touches the lives of millions across the world: poverty, its reasons and remedies.
poverty isn't just lack of income, it is absence of opportunity, access to basic needs, education, and healthcare. It affects individuals, families, and entire communities, limiting their dreams and potential. The causes of poverty are complex and multifaceted, ranging from economic inequality, poor healthcare system, low quality education, to social and political instability.
However, today we are not here to dwell on this problem alone. We are here to seek solutions, understand root causes, and to explore effective remedies that can help us combat this persistent range.
Through the insightful discussions, expertise, and experiences that will be shared in this session, I hope we will find innovative ways to address poverty, not just as a matter of charity, but as a fundamental human right to be fought for with compassion, strategy, and determination.
As we embark on this to understand poverty, its causes and solutions, we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to MD Sir, directors, and all the respected teachers. Their support and guidance have been invaluable in preparing today's assembly.
So let us open our hearts and minds to learn, reflect, and contribute the ideas that can bring about a change. Together, we can make a difference.
So now I would like to request everyone to kindly stand up and join your hands and close your eyes for a morning prayer and repeat after me. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high.
Where knowledge is free.
Where knowledge is free.
Where the world has not been broken up into fragments.
Where the world has not been broken up into fragments.
By narrow domestic walls.
By narrow domestic walls.
Where the words come out from the depth of truth.
Where the words come out from the depth of truth.
Where the mind is led forward by thee.
Where the mind is led forward by thee.
Into ever widening thought and action.
Into ever widening thought and action.
Into that heaven of freedom, my Father.
Into that heaven of freedom, my Father.
Let my country awake.
Let my country awake.
Thank you.
Sometimes a single thought can change our perspective, inspire us or challenge us to think deeper. So let's take a moment and welcome Munshan to present a powerful thought.
Poverty is not an accident like slavery and apartheid. It is man-made and can be removed by the actions of human beings. I repeat my thought. Poverty is not an accident like slavery and apartheid. It is man-made and can be removed by the actions of human beings. Thank you.
Classical dance is a magnificent blend of tradition, grace and storytelling. Now prepare to be taken into a world where every woman speaks in thousands of words. Let's witness the video of classical dance.
प्रणवालय पाहि परिपालय परमेशी कमलालय श्रीदेवी कुरिपिंसवे करुणाम्बुरासी भुवन पालिनी वे अनाथ रक्षण विधि काजटे मोरवी चेरवटे నీకు నీ వాడినివ్వాలని నాలో ఆవేదనే నువ్వు ఆదరించే నా నివేదనవ్వాలని దేహమునే కోవెలగా నిన్ను కొలువుంచా జీవముతో భావముతో సేవలు చేసా ప్రతి ఋతువు ప్రతి కృతువు నీవని ఎంచా సకలము నీ స్మరణే ధీంతానా జతులతో కాలమే నాట్యం చేసే గతులతో నామశతం మూల నతులతో నా పైన నీ చూపు ఆపేలా శరణంటినే జనని నాద వినోదిని భువన పాలినివే అనాథ రక్షణ నీది కాగటే మొరవిని చేరవటే
Poetry is the language of emotions, a melody that touches the heart. So, let's welcome Dhruv and Dipanshu to present you a Hindi poem.
लेकिन कुछ लोग हैं जो पीछे हैं, उनके पास नहीं है समानता, बस एक आस है, एक उम्मीद है।
हमें उनकी मदद करनी चाहिए, उनकी ज़िंदगी में खुशियाँ लानी चाहिए। हमें उनकी आस को पूरा करना चाहिए, उनकी उम्मीद को बढ़ाना चाहिए, उनकी उम्मीद को बढ़ाना चाहिए।
समानता की बातें करना आसान है, लेकिन उसे जीना मुश्किल है। हमें अपने दिल में समानता को बसाना चाहिए ताकि हम एक बेहतर दुनिया बना सके, ताकि हम एक बेहतर दुनिया बना सके। धन्यवाद।
Today's topic deals with one of the most difficult challenge faced by independent India, poverty. So I request my classmates for a group discussion for causes of poverty as well as anti-poverty measures taken by government.
Poverty is one of the most persistent and challenging issue affecting societies worldwide. It's not just about lack of money, but about missing out an opportunity that can make life better. In today's discussion, we will explore the root causes of poverty and how we can work together to find effective solutions. Poverty is a condition in which an individual lacks basic resources like food, shelter, and clothing. It is characterized by insufficient income which limits opportunities for survival and growth.
Types of poverty. There are types of poverty, absolute and relative. Absolute poverty means lacking basic necessities for survival, while relative poverty means poor compared to the others in society.
One of the biggest challenges of independent India has been to bring millions of its people out of abject poverty. Mahatma Gandhi always insisted that India would be truly independent only when most of its people become free of human suffering.
The poverty line is a method used to measure poverty. It is based on the minimum level of income and consumption required to meet daily needs like food, shelter, clothing and fuel.
In India, the poverty line is calculated based on calorie intake. 2,400 calories day for rural area, 2,100 calories day for urban area. This is then converted into monthly income around rupees 816 per person month in rural area, around rupees 1,000 per person month in urban area. As per 2011-12 data, it helps measure and identify these living in poverty and needing support.
In countries of Africa, there are more than 20 crore people which are living below poverty line, whereas in India, approximately 25 crore people are living below poverty line.
Poverty exists due to low economic development, limited job opportunities and poor industrial growth.
Many depend on agriculture, which is seasonal and low income, leading to widespread poverty, especially in rural areas.
Lack of education and skill development
access to better paying jobs. Unemployment and underemployment force people to live in poor conditions without any financial stability, continuing the poverty cycle generation after generation.
High population growth increases pressure on resources and jobs. When too many people compete for limited opportunities, wages remain low and people struggle to meet basic needs like food and shelter.
Social discrimination like caste and gender inequality worsens poverty. Marginalized communities face fewer opportunity in educational employment and land ownership, which keeps them in poverty despite their capabilities and efforts.
Improving education and vocational training empowers individuals to access better jobs. Education also spread awareness of rights and the government programs that can help poor families to escape poverty in the long run.
Creating more employment through government schemes like Manrega help provide income support. Promoting small-scale industries and self-employment can also help people earn and improve their standard of living gradually.
There are so many schemes and programs which are formulated to affect poverty directly and indirectly. Some of them are Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act in 2005, Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana in 1993, Rural Employment Generation Program in 1995 and Antyodaya Anna Yojana in 2000. Some other are Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana and Pradhan Mantri Jan Aadhar Yojana.
The result of this program have been as one of the major reasons for less effectiveness in these schemes. These schemes are not fully reached to the deserving poor, so there should be proper monitoring on all such poverty programs.
Healthcare assesses a crucial illness can push families into poverty. Government must ensure affordable health services and insurance schemes to protect vulnerable groups from falling deeper into poverty trap.
Social justice and equal opportunity must be ensured. Laws against discrimination, land reforms, and women empowerment programs can uplift marginalized communities and reduce poverty gap across society effectively.
Addressing poverty requires a multifaceted approach including education, job creation, reducing inequality, and environmental resilience. By implementing these remedies, we can break the cycle of poverty, create equal opportunities, and foster a more just and prosperous society for all. Thank you.
Poverty isn't just about scarcity, it's about unequal opportunity and limited access. But with the right support, individuals can rise above. So let us explore Rahul's story on the topic, poverty, its reasons and remedies. Scene 1. Rahul is watching Dr. Kalam's interview on an old TV. His mother is cooking on the stove. TV interview with Dr. Kalam.
Good morning, India. Welcome to the Inspiration Hour. Today we are honored to have with us a scientist, teacher and former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Sir, thank you for joining us.
Thank you, I am humbled to be here.
Your journey from a small town in Tamil Nadu to the Rashtrapati Bhavan is inspiring. Can you tell us something about your childhood?
I was born in Rameshwaram. My father was a boatman. We lived in a small house. I sold newspaper at a young age to support my family, but my dreams were bigger than my struggles. I studied in Lantern Light. My teachers encouraged me, but I always believed that poverty is not a curse if your dreams are strong.
And what would you say to children living in poverty today?
Dream big. Education is your rocket, discipline is your fuel. Don't let your background decide your future.
Thank you for expressing your views.
Welcome.
Scene 2. Rahul's struggle in poverty. Rahul rushes in, his mother is cooking on the stove.
Ma, I saw Dr. Kalam on TV. He sold newspaper like me and now he is a scientist.
Yes, beta, he is a great man. He showed the world that poverty doesn't stop dreams.
If he did it, can I do it too? I want to go to school every day. I want to become something.
I want that too, my child, but we don't even have money for your school shoes or books.
Scene 3. This is the reality for millions. Rahul is not alone. What causes poverty? Poverty is not just lack of income. It is absence of opportunity. No good schools, no stable jobs, overpopulation, corruption, and most of all, inequality.
When a child like Rahul is to be a tree, poverty pulls him back. Is there a way out? Scene 4. The remedy. A door opens. Back to the hut. A knock on the door.
A smiling teacher enters with a bag of books.
Rahul, see who's at the door?
Rahul opens the door. It's a school teacher.
Sir, you came to our house.
Yes, Rahul, may I come in?
Of course, sir. Please sit. It's an honor to have you here.
Ma'am, the government has launched a new scheme for students from low-income families. It includes free books, uniforms, and even a scholarship if the child performs well in school. Rahul, we have opened a new free learning center nearby. Would you like to come?
Yes, I want to learn. I want to become like Dr. Kalam.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You have given my child hope.
We believe in every child. No dream should be left behind because of poverty.
Scene 5th, the future, the dream realized. A graduation ceremony. Rahul is now a young adult, holding a degree in a suit.
Sir, would you like to tell your worthy experience of achieving success?
Years ago, I sold newspaper like Dr. Kalam. I used to study in candlelight. I used to walk to school in torn shoes. But one teacher, one free class, and one belief changed everything. Today I am a scientist and teach children like me because someone believed in me when I couldn't.
Poverty can break bones, but it can't break the spirit. Give education, give opportunity, and watch how the poorest child become the brightest star. Thank you. Singing the next, the mind with the heart and heart with the soul. Now here comes Dulce Diksha for class to present an Hindi song.
सुन रही हूँ सुध बुध खो के कोई मैं कहानी, पूरी कहानी है क्या किसे है पता, मैं तो किसी की हूँ के ये भी न जानी, लुप्त है ये दो पल की याद रहेगी सदा, किसे है पता, किसे है पता, जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद
is the language of the soul, in which each word carries a word of meaning. Today, Diya and Drishti of our class are going to recite a beautiful English poem.
A child sits by the roadside bare, dust in her hair, dreams in the air. She counts the coins she doesn't hold, imagining the warmth in hands so cold.
Her mother hums a song so light, to hush the belly's endless fight. A borrowed hope, a borrowed day. Life's promises all swept away.
Yet still they smile, yet still they sing, defying fate, embracing spring. For poverty is not the end, but how we choose to rise again. Thank you. Music is a universal language that speaks directly to your hearts. Now let's immerse ourselves and welcome Durje to present you an English song that will surely captivate your hearts.
You can be the best, you can be the King Kong banging on your chest. You can be the world, you can be the ball. You can talk to Coco banging on his door. You can raise your hands up, you can be the club. You can be the master, doing for love. You can be a master, doing for love. Dedicate yourself, standing Hall of Fame. And a book gonna know your name.
Music once admitted to our soul becomes a spirit and never dies. So here comes Durje and each of our class for an instrumental performance.
When words fail, dance speaks. Today we have a vibrant and energetic group dance performance that will leave you enchanted. A performance filled with rhythm, grace and unity.
छोटी सी उम्र से सबकी प्रताड़ना सहते ये बच्चे कौन हैं? इनका भविष्य क्या है? पेट भरने को बस एक रास्ता इनके सामने बचता है। क्या यही है हमारे देश का बदलता रूप? यदि इसे न बदला तो क्या होगा भविष्य देश का? तो क्या होगा भविष्य देश का?
एक लौ है सौ परछाई है। बस रे हैया खाली रहेगी जगह जो दिल ने बनाई है
बाबा आप आराम करो, हम खाना लेके आते हैं।
गरीबी हटाओ नारा सुन सुन के बहरे हो गए हाथ। कोई तो आके, अरे कोई तो आके हमें बता दे कहाँ है मेरा भारत महान। आज के सामाजिक युग में कुछ करके दिखाने के लिए और जीवन में आगे बढ़ने के लिए हर एक को शिक्षा की आवश्यकता है।
शिक्षा का सूरज है निकला, हो रहा है अब उजाला, आँखें खोलो। हमको भी है लिखना पढ़ना, हमको भी है आगे बढ़ना, तुम ही बोलो।
केवल डॉक्टर इंजीनियर बनने से कुछ नहीं होगा। अमित स्वामी विवेकानंद, डॉक्टर शिव कुमार स्वामी जी, डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम जैसे महान बनने का प्रयत्न आवश्यक है। हमें दूसरों के खुशी का कारण बनना है, ना कि दुख का।
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निशान, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का, जीना है हम से नाम जाएगा, के मर के भी किसी को याद आएंगे, किसी की आंसुओं में मुस्कुराएंगे, कहेगा फूल हर कली